Good morning, children. This is your teacher, Miss Nima. Today I will be continuing part 3 of the chapter Hellen Keller. Okay. So someone was drawing water from my teacher placed my hand under the spout. As the cool stream gushed over one hand, she spelled into the other word water. So this is the child Hellen Keller with her teacher. Okay. So as the water spout means open for water to flow out. Okay, maybe it was a fountain. And the cool stream gushed means flower in large amounts. Okay, flowed in large amount. The teacher, what happened, she started spelling the word water. Okay, then first slowly, then rapidly, I stood still, my whole attention fixed upon the motion of a finger. So the teacher started with her finger to write water in her hands. Okay, then she also with her full attention started fixing the motion of the teacher's hand. Okay, of the fingers. Okay, suddenly I felt a misty consciousness as the something forgotten, a thrill of returning thoughts, and somehow the mystery of language was revealed to me. I knew then that water meant the wonderful cool something that was flowing over my head. So she started imagining that water must be, because she is a blind and a deaf person, na? So she does not like us. She does not have advantage of listening and seeing. Okay, she does not have that power. So she is imagining that water must be something flowing. Okay, and something cool, because when she touched the water, it was cool. Okay, that living word awakened my soul, gave it light, hope, joy, set it free. So she also she that the word water, when she touched, when she expressed, okay, and when the teacher said the word, her life became full of hope that she can also learn something. Okay, despite of being deaf and dumb, not dumb. This one, she was blind and dumb. She can also learn something. Okay, they were barriers still, it is true, but barriers that could in time be swept away. She knew that there were so many barriers because of her physical handicapness, but she knew that she will someday overcome all those barriers. I left the well house eager to learn. Everything had a name. Each name gave birth to a new thought. Now she is thinking, now she is started learning that every water has a name, soil has a name. Okay, everything, whatever she touches, she feels, everything has a name, and it gave birth to her new thought. Okay, new imagination. As we returned to the house, every object which I touched seemed to be full of life. So now she's touching and feeling. Okay, and her teacher is writing down with her fingers. Okay, and she's now understanding that everything has a name. That was because I saw everything with the strange new sight that had come to me. Now, though she has no eyesight, still she could feel because of a teacher, which gave a light to her life. Okay, her dark, saddened life. The teacher gave life and light. Okay, now she could slowly entering the world of education. Okay, on entering the door, I remember the doll I had broken. I felt my way to earth and picked up the pieces. I tried vainly to put them together. Then my eyes filled with tears, for I realized what I have done, and for the first time I felt repentance and sorrow. Repentance, the feeling of that one should not have done something which one did in the past. So she was like a robot. Okay, she did not understand feelings nor emotions. The first time she felt some kind of a regret that she should not do that, and first time she cried. Okay, now her teacher had filled her life with emotions, feelings. Okay, expressions, because of the things now she's learning, she is communicating with the things, and first time she cried and regretted that she should not have broken the doll. Okay, I learned a great many new words that day. I do not remember what they all were, but I do know that mother, father, sister, teacher were among them. Words that were to make the world blossom for me. Blossom here means to become real and alive. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than I was as I lay in my crib, a small bed for child. Okay, crib means you can underline those words at the close of the eventful day and lived over the joys it had brought me, and for the first time longed for the new day. So that day she had learned many words, okay, and but she don't remember as she grew up. Uh, but she knows that mother, father, and her sister and her teachers uh, that made her world blossom means alive again, okay, as she could communicate with those words now with her parents and her sister and her teacher. She again went back to her room, okay, in a small crib. Crib is a small bed for children, and she started thinking and of the eventful day of joy, and it brought her longed for a new day to come. She now was happy that she was more excited that for a next day to come, okay. Now she wants to live. This is written by Hellen Keller. I will be giving you question answer. Do it in your copy.